Breathing well is essential, and taking care of your lungs should never be complicated. When cough, cold, or breathing discomfort strikes, fast and gentle support makes all the difference. This portable mesh nebulizer transforms liquid medication into a fine, soothing mist for smooth and comfortable inhalation. Ultra quiet, lightweight, and simple to use, making it perfect for both adults and children. Designed for everyday convenience, it works with rechargeable power and battery support, so relief is always within reach. Even during travel or power cuts, breathe easier, feel better, reliable respiratory care whenever you need it.